Speaking at Cargo Talks Digital Conclave, Kali Logistics Solutions CEO highlighted the multifaceted importance of digitization.
India is the world's IT back office. The world relies on India for technology. But our industry, logistics industry, was the last dark continent. However, during the pandemic, I think, a lot of people have jumped the bandwagon. We saw tremendous increase in the digitization in India. And I can tell you, we work in 30 countries, okay, including large countries like the United States. But in India, the acceleration was palpable, and clearly, India is leading the pack. IATA had done one study way back in 1978, I guess. The average time that an air cargo shipment takes to go from point A to point B, it was 6.3 days. They repeated that study 25 years later, and the average time was still 6.1 days. I can promise you, we at Kale, and at least me, I can say that before I hang my boots, you will see a difference in this statistic. Digitalization is, as I say, is a great leveler. You democratize technology, right? And you gave that example, right? A smartphone is owned by an auto rickshaw driver as well as a Mercedes owner itself. Now, because of cloud, digitalization can reach to all nooks and corners. Anywhere there is a smartphone with, internet connectivity, digitalization will get delivered there. The technologies in cargo that we talk about are all today accessible with just one machine with an internet connection or a mobile with an internet connection. So I'm very confident that this will happen. In fact, we have got customers who are, in very remote cities in Uttar Pradesh or, other states as well. And they are completely onto this digitalization platform. So I believe, it's very much possible because of cloud. Technology is going to create jobs, and it is going to create more jobs. The jobs that are purely, purely manual and, do not have much of a value add, they will also get replaced by another job, and the same people will do it. Digitization, well, it has moved from something which was nice to have to necessary evil to business driver. The vision that we have for ourselves, changing those two factors, 85% cargo on the ground and the average time to move cargo. If we keep these two goalposts in mind and work towards it, I think we will be very satisfied by the, by the time we hang our boots.